I don't have the numbers with me, but I can at least tell you that much, that yes, ministers and MLAs also had received this, and the investigation on the numbers through which they had received this and other inputs from them have already been collected. So yes, there were cases, but I don't have the exact number with me. All the actions and all the steps that you have seen in the last many weeks and months and days, all have been done because of those messages and the bomb blast, the IED blast that took place in different locations, and because of the different threats that have been there to the safety of the citizens of our state. And everything that has happened in the past has been clearly the steps that are taken to ensure that we are able to stop all of these kind of activities that are taking place. So therefore, whether it is the different arrests that have already been made, whether it is the different operations that have been done, whether it is different investigations taking place, all of it are based on inputs that we are receiving, whether it is SMSs received from political leaders, from businessmen, from individuals, from common people. All these messages that have come in terms of extortion, which really what it is, it's an extortion racket in one way. And this has led to us as a government and more importantly the police department doing a large amount of investigation. I don't want to repeat myself into again going into the police matters, but the large amount of evidence and documentation and proof, many kinds of proof, again as I said, it's not proper for me to reveal that, but investigation is being really done in a lot of detail. Movements, of individuals, and whether it's different kind of data. So I think I will be really risking the investigation at this point in time by revealing all of that. But I can just tell you and give an assurance to everybody that a large amount of work is being done, and a lot of steps have been taken by the police department to ensure that this comes to a stop.